let me show you the makeup. So let's get started. I already moisturized my skin. Then after that I'm using this In Color gel primer, and it's really a good primer. It has a gold substance, you can see it, and it looks so good. You can see that exactly. Look at this. For the foundation, I'm using this Kryolan palette, and actually if I want to do shoots, and I will do shoots, I always use Kryolan's palette because it's so high coverage and it's long lasting. It's so good, you can already see it. It has a different types of foundation. You can also use as a concealer and color corrector, and also for a contour. It's so good palette. I'm just using the same palette for contouring, and this will be the shade. Can you see the shape of my contouring? That's the right shape to do the contour. Blend this contour, and I'm using this brush, this angled brush, to blending my contouring. And yes, I just blend contour on a circular mesh, just like this. I already have sharp cheekbones, but I do, and I also have sharp jawline. I don't do much contour, but today I have a really important shoot, and I really want to look good. Look like a lifted. Like it take too much time. I have this beautiful lip palette, and I literally like this color, so I thought why should not be used as a blusher. So I'm using this lip color as a cream blush, and it's so pigmented, you can see. I thought I have to blend it. Let's blend it. I think it takes ages to blend. It will take. But not, it blends so easily, as you can see. Does it look good? I know, it looks good. Now it's time to set the base. For this I'm using Naked 6 Clay's loose powder. We don't set the base before the contour and before the blusher, because we used as a cream blusher and as a cream contour. So if we put the loose powder before it, then it didn't blend so well. It's time for a highlighter. For this I'm using this Revolution highlighting and blushing palette, and I always use finger to put the highlighter because I can see the difference. Easily can see the difference. I will show it to you in the next video, of course. Look at this. Literally look at this. And on my nose. So now it's time for eyes. So we can start with brows, and for this I'm using this brown gel liner, and with angled brush and set my brows. As you can see, it doesn't look too much and it doesn't look too less. It looks perfect actually. Just let me show it to you. Just a bit of. I don't do too much sharp brows. It looks so cakey on me. So I just brush through it, and I think it looks good on me. Just a simple. See the expressions lines on me? Yeah, I laugh too much, that's why they came. I have a blue dress. As you can see, my blouse is blue and my lehenga is also blue, but my dupatta is like greyish, so we will go on grey and blue. So first for blue, I'm using this to shape my outer corner. So now we have to make just different like cut crease. So I'm just applying this and opening my eyes. So it creates the best cut crease you can ever have. I have to create a wing liner, smoky wing liner. So I'm taking this angled brush. And smudging it off. Smudging the corners actually. So my eyes can look like this. Sparkle, the white sparkle. I'm so sorry for this voice, but my room get too noisy, so I have to do this. Now I'm applying on my lower line same eyeshadow, blue eyeshadow that I was applying before this. Now I'm applying the same black gel liner and applying on my inner corner to make a cat eye effect. Now I'm curling my lashes with eyelash curler. Now it's time for mascara, and I'm using the CV3's mascara to curl my lashes, and it looks so fantastic, as you already can see it. Now we are using the same lipstick palette from Swiss Beauty and applying this beautiful pink color, and it looks so beautiful on me. So I wear dupatta and jhumka and make my hairs, and look at this. For more clips of my shoot, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Bye bye. Thank you so much.